Hello, and I hope you're doing well. On this video we're gonna talk about the Nespresso machine and how every morning I see a puddle of water around the tank here. I first took this off and took a look at the seal down there to see if it was okay or not, and it was fine. Actually, I left this for a few hours to see if it was dripping, and it was not. So then I took a look at this, and then I saw small pieces of coffee right here. So what I ended up doing is grab the paper towel and you clean this, and you'll see very small pieces of coffee, and there is a filter down there, but it still gets around here, and when it stays around here it doesn't create a strong seal, so therefore the water will end up out here overnight or a few hours later. So once I clean this and put the water back, there were no more puddles of water around the Nespresso. I hope this video helps you in any way. Thank you for watching and enjoy.